Check the mouse connection. Plug the mouse into another port on the computer and test it. Inspect the mouse cord for signs of damage and make sure the cord has not broken loose from the USB connector. Next, clean the mouse. Check the mouse settings. Go to the Start button on the computer, then click Control Panel. Click on Mouse. Examine the settings under the various tabs to see if any changes are required to address problems. Next, clean the mouse. Gently clean the lens area under the mouse with a soft lint-free towel or paper towel. And last, use a mouse pad.
Check your PC if it's plugged in. Check if the power connector is functioning. Check for any rat or animal bite impression of the connection. Check the ADR or APS. Fuse may be blown. Check the power supply. You can find it in the top of the monitor. Check the Microsoft volume control. Ensure the speakers are properly connected to the audio port. Check the volume control and power connection of the speaker.